Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spectacular 7,500 square foot home laid out on a 2.06 acre parcel of land perched at the crown of a hill with a panoramic 360-degree view of Manor Park, the Kingston waterfront, and the Stony Hill, located on a private cul-de-sac. This stately split-level home has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, a pool, an enclosed garage, and a site for a badminton court. This is a great property to buy and renovate, or this property would make an excellent building site. Call today to view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.3 million or Jamaican $366.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.